All right, today we're gonna bring a new ball for these guys to play. And look at, when you get it, the pump is included. So this guy's waiting for his new toy. We're gonna get it up and running, and let's inflate it. Real simple to inflate. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up for them and start playing with it. All right, here's the ball. It makes noise. It has rattling stuff for these guys. Who wants it? Who's gonna go get it? Who's gonna go get it? Go get it! Let's see who gets it first. Bring it here, good boy. Come here. Let me see it. Ready? You ready? Let me go get it. Let me get the ball. You like me throwing it. All right. He's gonna want me to throw it again. Ready? Go! He's gonna bring it. Bring it back. Bring it back here. Right here. Right here. Bring it here. Good boy. Are you gonna drop it? Oh, you're gonna kick it. He likes it. Oh. All right. Let me have it. You ready? Ready? Let me get the ball one more time. You want this? You want this? Ready, set, go! It's like rugby right here with these guys. Can I have it, sir? Sir, can I have it? Thank you. Ready? I'm gonna kick it. And then we're gonna go play soccer. Let's play soccer with it then. He's running away. Good boy. Ready? 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 Let me see. Ready? I'm gonna kick the ball. Ready? I threw it somewhere over there. Can I have it? Drop it. Good boy. Drop it. Good boy. You ready? You ready one more time? Ready? Go. Good boy. Good boy. Let me have it. Let me have it. Let me have it. Good boy. Oh, look at this. It survived. It survived. All right, so far the ball survived, and these guys are notorious at tearing things out. In fact, I'm gonna show you one I have here that lasted maybe a couple minutes. Now compared to this, rugged, rough, and it makes noise too, keeps them attractive. Of course, you throw it out and they always come back. Very simple, easy to enjoy. I hope you guys enjoy the video.